One of the final steps in sheet metal design involves breaking sharp corners to prevent injuries and snags. Onshape's sheet metal corner break feature accomplishes this by adding a fillet or chamfer to any selected corners. Reserve corner breaks for the final features of a sheet metal part. Once a corner break feature is applied, the joint type and style cannot be modified. Corner breaks apply to any corner in a sheet metal part, even those created due to bend relief cuts. Start a new corner break feature. Select either the fillet or chamfer tab, then select one or more corner edges or vertices of a sheet metal part. The corners can be selected in the formed or flattened state. For a fillet, select either radius or width for the measurement. Additionally, set the control option for the fillet to either distance, conic, or curvature. Set the radius or width value to dimension the fillet. For a conic-based fillet, set the row value. For a curvature-based fillet, set the magnitude. For a fillet consisting of two radii blending together, check asymmetric and enter the second radius. Toggle the flip asymmetric arrows when necessary. Both distance and conic have an option to allow edge overflow. Checking this option allows the fillet feature to modify the edges on the face created by the fillet, leading to a smooth, continuous surface. When you do not check this option, Onshape preserves the edges on the filleted face. For a chamfer, set the measurement to offset or tangent. Then, select a chamfer type. Equal distance extends the chamfer an equal distance from the edge in both directions. Two distances extends the chamfer by each distance value entered. Distance and angle extends the chamfer a specified distance in one direction and a specified angle in the other. With both these options, you can toggle the opposite direction arrow to switch the side.